Now I'm recording.
Sure.
In whichever company we are going to implement SAP CRM, we do organization management for that particular company. Do you heard about Nokia mobiles?
Yes.
We will do it for Nokia now. We will do it for Nokia. We will create an international organization of Nokia, and then we will create under it subsequent its subsequent organization units. Few terms are there which are very important. Let me tell you what are those. Organization objects. See, when we are doing organization management, we have a term which is known as organization objects. And organization objects are of two kinds. One is org unit, or you can say organization unit. Org unit is nothing but the company. Company. Company is known as org unit. And second one is First one is org unit, which is nothing but the company, and the second one is position. Position is nothing, the positions which are assigned to an org unit. Let us assume, for example, I'm just giving you very clear and very real-time example, very practical example, so that you can understand what is org object, what is org unit, what is a position. If I have to create India as a org unit, India country, right?
Yes.
CUNTRY country in SAP CRM system. I will give, I will create states under India, for example, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, right?
Yes.
And now I will give, all these will be org units. India, which is the main org units, org unit, Andhra Pradesh subordinate org unit, which comes under India, and Karnataka, it is also subordinate unit, which will directly come under India. And I will assign a position here. Under India country. My position will be called Prime Minister. It will be position, and under Andhra Pradesh I will give a position which will be known as Chief Minister. And I will assign a person or an employee to this position. Prime Minister, to this position I will assign an employee. First of all, I will create an employee in my SAP CRM system. Then I will assign that employee to this position, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Similarly, I will assign another person here under Chief Minister, who will be the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Right?
Yes.
Do you understanding me? What I'm trying to say? What I'm trying to convey you?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
how org unit work, how organization management works. By the way, who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
Narendra Modi.
No. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. I'm just asking, Chief Minister, who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh? Do you know? Hello.
Yeah. I don't know the chief minister
Okay,
right now who was there.
no problem. And did my voice gone for some time, for a minute, for few seconds?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, it is due to my internet connection, maybe my internet connection. Yeah, you're there, right?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, okay. And under India, I'll create Punjab and give Chief Minister as position, and then assign a person to this position, Mr. Badal. Right? That's how organization management works. See, with my example, I hope the concept will be clear to you.
Yes.
Okay. So now we will create Nokia, and I will log on to system, and directly in the system I will show you how to create.
Okay.
CRM7 logging on. See, we now can you see the screen?
Yes.
See, we reached our, you know, this screen, this screen, we will call this screen as SAP Easy Access Menu. You don't need to remember the names. These are just terminologies. You just need to understand the concepts. But anyway,
Okay.
I have to tell the screen name, what we call it. It's a standard procedure that I should tell you everything. This screen is called SAP Easy Access Menu, right?
Yeah.
And now to launch the application where we manage organizations, we have a transaction code. It is called PPO MA underscore CRM. PPO MA underscore CRM. Right? Have you seen the T code?
Yeah. Yes. PPOMA_CRM.
Exactly. Now I will enter it. Let's see what happens. I entered it, and now the application will start. It says welcome to the organization management. So these are our organization objects. Organization objects, org unit, position. These are the two organization objects, and we will assign employees to the position, and we can also assign user to the position. We can do both these assignments.
Okay.
So let's just begin with creating our own organization unit first of all. I'm opening another session from here. Create new session. Uh, okay, I will tell you one thing. See, the transaction code PPOMA underscore CRM, if you want to change an organization unit, that's the T code. If you want to create an organization unit, the T code will be PPOCA underscore CRM.
Okay. PPOCA_CRM.
Yes. Now that's the T code now I have used PPOCA underscore CRM.
Okay.
Now it means PPOCA means create, CA means create, and MA means to maintain an organization unit. If you have already created an organization unit, you want to make some changes, then use PPOMA. CA is for create. And because we wanted to create a new organization unit, so we used PPO CA underscore CRM. So that is our T code, PPO CA underscore CRM.
Okay.
And So now once I entered the T code, we appeared to this screen. Now what this screen is saying that you want to create organization unit, and it is valid from which date to when. It is validating from today to 9999, means end of the time.
Okay.
So I will create enter here. I will create enter here, continue. That's the validity of our organization unit. Now you appear to this screen. Uh, now you will create whatever you want to create. We wanted to create an organization for Nokia.
Yeah.
So I will enter Nokia International here. See, do you see what I'm entering here?
Yes.
Whatever you have to enter here, and after entering the data, once you press enter, it will get confirmed and it will appear on the upper screen.
Okay.
I will tell you now. Nokia International Organization, right? That's what I have entered. Once I press entered, it will appear on the top of the screen. These are the four tabs. Again, these are the four tabs. So this will be the name of your organization. And if you want to maintain address of your organization, click here, you maintain address, and then there is another tab which is known as functions tab and attributes tab. I will come to them in a moment. So using all these four tabs, you can maintain data for your organization. So let me first of all press enter here. I have pressed enter and it appears here, Nokia International Organization. Right?
Yeah.
Now I will maintain address of it. I clicked on address. Whatever address we want to maintain, we can maintain. Okay, in the country field, I'm selecting USA. That it's international. Its head. I'm creating the head office of an organization unit. It means its head offices will be in USA. So I'm pressing enter. Oops, it says USA does not exist. I think US is the code for USA. You, if this problem happens, you can click here. All the list of countries will be opened. Let's just move to you directly.
I think US. US.
Yes,
It's not
US.
here.
Yeah, US. So I have entered it. It says fill in all the required entry fields. You know what other fields are mandatory? Wherever tick is there, that field is mandatory. We have to maintain city for it. And first of all, enter a region for it. So you are more familiar with USA. What region should I enter?
Yes, it's California. See it.
Okay, okay. Where are you living presently?
It's Fremont City.
Okay, okay. So I'm entering California, right? If you want to maintain telephone number of the main head office, you can enter here. If you want to maintain the fax number, you can enter here. See, once we go to a company, suppose we are working in Nokia, they will give us all the data. For example, telephone number, they will give fax number, they will give the postal code of the region, they will give, proper address. So we will maintain
Yes.
all those fields. But because we are in a training session, we can skip these fields as well, but in real time we have to maintain all these fields, and the company itself will give us all these fields. We need not to worry about it. We just need to enter those fields here only. That's all.
Okay.
What are the let me just leave the attribute for this particular thing. I will tell you it on the sub branches about attributes. So I'm entering it, I'm pressing enter with this particular address. So these are our main head office, which are set in California, USA, right?
Yeah.
So now what I'm doing is I'm selecting this main head office, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Right clicking on it, right clicking on it. With my mouse, I
Yes.
have pressed right click and create. I'm creating another org unit under it.
Okay.
I pressed create. See, you can see there are two things: organization unit and position. These two are called org objects, organization objects, as I told you earlier.
Okay.
As I told you. So now I want to create another org unit under this org unit. So I will select org unit and I will select this tick mark.
Okay.
It is also known as enter. So I will select it. See, now there is another new organization unit which comes under the hierarchy of this international org unit.
Okay.
So I will enter now. I will enter the data. Nokia France I am entering. Nokia France. And country I'm selecting as FR France. City Paris I will select. Region also Paris I will select. Postal code is 75 of it, if I'm not wrong. I have selected it. Function, see in the function tab page I'm selecting sales.
Okay.
You can select marketing, sales, service, whatever you want to do. I'm selecting sales and going to attributes tab. Now I will enter the country as France under the attributes. Attributes are nothing but a characteristic of a particular thing. Wherever you wherever you see the field attribute with a particular thing, now here attribute is with org object, and now this will characterize the org object. Characteristic means what are the values it have. What are the values it have? I'm selecting FR. I'm pressing enter. So I have selected the attribute France. Now I will select it object permitted in determination. It is very important. I will tell you later why it is important. But as of now, just remember you have to select it object permitted in determination and check the consistency of it. Yes, it's consistent, and just press enter. That's all. Under it, now I'm selecting main branch, and under it I want to create another organization unit, right?
Yes.
This I created like right clicking on it. By clicking on create, there is another way of creating the org unit. I will show you now what is the other way. Select it. See here you can see this create.
Yeah.
If you click here, same thing will happen. Create, select org unit, select it, it will come.
Okay.
I'm selecting Nokia India now. Pressing enter. Clicking on address, country field, I'm selecting India. Region I'm selecting as Hyderabad, and city I will enter as Hyderabad. Its function, let us assume sales, and under attributes I have to enter IN. Click on object permitted and determination, check its consistency. Yes, it's consistent. That's all. Save it. I'm saving it. It's been saved. Now we have created two of our main branches, Nokia France and Nokia India. Now I will create a position under Nokia India.
Okay.
Now I want to create a position under Nokia India. I haven't yet created any position under Nokia International, nor under Nokia France, nor under Nokia India. But now I want to create a position under it, so I'm selecting it, clicking on right click, pressing the right click of my mouse, and clicking on create position, selecting it. A position, see, there are two things. One is org unit, two types of object, org unit and position. When the position appear, you will see this type of symbol appears in front of position, so that you can know that it is a position.
Yes.
I will select head of India. Position name will be head of India. Now, because he is the head of organization unit, you have to select this. See, you and me will understand we have maintained head of India here, but computer will not understand this thing. So
Yes.
for the system to understand it, you have to select this checkbox, that head of own organization unit. Now this position will be head of the organization unit. So I'm selecting it, pressing enter. Now it will have a cap over it, which represent it's the head of own organization unit. Press save. It's got saved. So we have created a position, we have created an organization unit. Now we will create some of the employees and assign those employees to our organization unit. The next step will be to
Okay.
create employees and assign those employees in the organization unit, right?
Okay.
So I'm minimizing it. I'm minimizing it for a moment.
Sure.
I have opened another session, first of all with PPOMA_CRM. That was a session. I'm clicking back on it so that we can arrive to our easy access menu, so that we can create employees now. We can create employees now. I told you employee is nothing but a business partner.
Okay.
Employee is nothing but a business partner. So So if you want to create employee, you have to create it through business partner.
Okay.
Uh, so I have to press BP. I have to press BP and will create employee. BPT code I'm using. Employee is a person. So I'm clicking on person here. Right?
Okay.
This is the BP screen which you are very much familiar with.
Yes.
I'm clicking on person and we, we, uh, we are creating a business partner in which role we want to create it, in the role employee. Do you remember I have told you some of the roles like sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, pair,
Yes.
employee, etc. So we will select employee here uh, as a business role, so that system will understand we are creating an employee. But I think employee role is not visible. I know why it is not visible. I will tell you something. Normally what happens is our CRM server is integrated with ECC server.
Yes.
It is normally integrated with ECC server, and normally we create employees in HR module.
Okay.
HR module is for human resource management module. We
Okay.
sometimes we call it HRM, sometimes we call it HR module. We normally create employees in HR module in ECC. HRM is a part of ECC, and then we download all the employee data from ECC to CRM.
Okay.
Normally it happens like that, but if you want to create employees in CRM, you have to make some settings. Now let me just see what are those settings. I'm going back. Save changes, no, because we haven't done anything. I'm going to our playground, which is known as implementation guide. SPRO is the T code for it. Somewhere it is integration with HR. I'm searching for it where it is. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Where are those settings? I have made a video about it some time ago. Just a second. Let me just open it.
Yeah, sure. నేను చూసిన వీడియో ఇండివిజువల్ చూసిన లైవ్ గా చూసాను డాక్టర్ ఫోన్ గుర్తుకున్నా మధ్యన
Yeah, there is those settings, basic settings, business partner basic setting. Okay, let me try something else under CRM. Master data, org management, business partner is there. Yes, yes. Arun, are you there?
yes I'm there.
Okay. Actually, we have to make some settings before employee can appear in our CRM system, or we can create employee directly under CRM system. And those settings will be, we have to see, this is our implementation guide. Let me just go again to it. SPRO is the T code. SPRO is the T code. We appeared on the implementation guide, and in the implementation guide, click on this customer relationship management. We will do most of our activities under customer relationship management under this tab, so I clicked on it. So basic function, master data is there, marketing is there. I've told you master data, org management, business partner, and products, all these comes under master data. So click on master data, expand it. You will see org management, business partner, products. Just expand business partners, and here you can see integration business partner employee and integration business partner org management. You can see integration of business partner employee. Just click on it. This is the integration of business partner employee with HR. So once you expand it, integration of business partner employee, once you expand it, you will see setup integration with HR and other things. So you have to click on it. Once I will do the settings, you need not to maintain it. And but I will show you how to do it. Now I will select this setup integration with HR. These settings must be done once only. Most of the time, basis consultant will do all those settings by default. But presently there is no basis consultant, so I'm doing it. Employees are replicated from HR system. It is on. What it means is employees are replicating from HR system as per our settings, but we do not want it. We want to create the employees in CRM. So instead of on, I'm selecting something else. I have clicked F4 on it. Instead of on, I'm selecting create, so that we can create employees, right? I have selected it. So instead of on, now it's create. So now I'm saving it. Now this got saved now. Once I made this setting, you need not to maintain it again, but I just show you how to do it. Now instead of on, here is create. Now we can create our employees. I hope so. And let's just try to create it. I'm clicking on new session. Here, let's see, go to BP now. Click on person. Let's hope that it should come. Yes, see, initially this role
Yes.
was not coming, but now this role is coming. We can create our employees. So I'm selecting this role to create an employee. Click on create and just create a data of the employee. Title is Mr. What name should we give? Suggest a name, Arun. Any name.
Sandeep.
Sandeep. That's right. Should I put search term as Arun again so that you can easily find whatever we have
Yes.
created with your search term Arun? Let's say country India and region Hyderabad. Now we will save it. See, there are many data. If you want to maintain other data, you can maintain it easily. But this data is sufficient. This data is sufficient. We should save it and use it. So I'm saving it. Because we are creating employees for the first time in the system, whatever we create, anything we create for the first time in the system, it will take a little more time. So that is why it's taking some time.
Okay.
So our employee has been saved. Oh my God, look at the ID of this employee. We haven't selected our ID. We haven't created our number range. We haven't given our number range. So by default, system has given such number range to it. That's his ID.
Okay.
I think I should just save it because we want to use it.
Okay.
Now we will assign this employee. We will assign this employee to our organization unit. Head of India, this is our position. Under Nokia India, head of India was our position, right?
Yes.
and we have to assign an employee to this position. So I'm right clicking on it, right clicking on a particular position whom we want to assign employee. You can see assign here. You can see assign here.
Yeah.
And the create is disabled now. You can see all the other things in dark and this becomes light. Create button itself becomes light. Can you identify the difference? Like copy is dark, create is light.
Yes. Yeah.
So create itself become disabled because we cannot create anything under it. We can only assign things to it. We can copy this position, but we cannot create anything under it. We can assign it instead. So I'm selecting assign. What we are going to assign is our employee, business partner, because employee is a business partner.
Yeah.
Okay, search term will be Arun because I have kept search term. So we will select by, this search term. We have created Sandeep as an employee. This is the organization. Sandeep is appearing, right?
Yeah.
So I'm selecting
Yes.
Sandeep. It will be assigned to this position now. Sandeep has been assigned to this position, right?
Yes.
Save it. Similarly, I will create under Nokia France, I will create a position. I will assign some employee to it as well.
Yes.
Okay, I'm minimizing it. Now I want to create some more organization unit under Nokia India.
Okay.
So I will select Nokia India. I will select Nokia India, right click on it, create. I want to create another org unit under Nokia India. So I will select org unit. Now I will create Nokia Hyderabad under it. HOID. Its function will remain sales and attribute. See, once you created Nokia India, we have to enter country India here. We have to enter country India here. Do you remember when we created Nokia France? We have to enter the country France here. But when we are creating Hyderabad, it is coming automatically. We need not to
Yes.
enter the country India. It is coming automatically because we haven't yet entered it. Uh,
Yes.
it has been inherited by its parent organization unit
Yeah.
because its parent organization unit was Nokia India. We are creating Nokia Hyderabad under Nokia India. Under Nokia India, we are creating Nokia Hyderabad. That is why it will inherit all the attributes from Nokia India.
Okay.
If you give anything in attributes in Nokia India, all those things will appear in Nokia Hyderabad as well.
Okay.
So that is that is how attributes are inherited. That's how attributes are inherited in an org structure. My charger has having some problem, so sometimes it went off. Anyway, object permitted determination. Even if you give some other attributes, if you expand this term, if you give apart from country, if you give any other attributes, for example product category, that too also will be inherited from the parent attribute, from the parent organization unit to the child organization unit.
Okay.
I'm saving it. I'm saving it. It has been saved. And I will also create Nokia Bangalore under Nokia India. I will create Nokia Bangalore as well. Click on create. Do you have any questions so far? Anyhow, I will create late. Do you have
No,
any questions so far, Arun?
no, no. It's like it's a binary, like it's under one tree, it's under many trees.
Yes,
As you say,
yes,
same.
exactly, exactly. It is exactly the same.
Yes.
So you are a technical person. Binary tree, it's a programming concept, right? You are a technical
Yes.
person.
Yes.
Which graduate?
Absolutely.
You,
Yeah, I'm doing masters in computer science.
okay, 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 okay. Yeah, it is exactly like a binary tree. Yes.
Yeah.
Everything, it is also a computer system. Ultimately, SAP is a business application software. So it will use the concepts of computer science only, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Computer science people have developed this system for us to use.
Yes.
So it is based on the same concepts. Now I'm right clicking on it. I'm creating Nokia Bangalore under Nokia India. Click on organization unit. See, address will not be inherited. Address will not be inherited. Only attributes will be inherited. Only attributes. I think we haven't created a region Bangalore, I guess. We have created Hyderabad and Vizag.
Yes.
So instead of Bangalore, let's just use Vizag. Or elsewise we will
Okay.
create, है it will be good. Or elsewise we will first need to create Bangalore in the regions,
Okay.
or yet just use Karnataka as a region and city as Bangalore.
Okay.
Its function will be saves. Under attributes you will see India as it is because it is inherited from the parent org unit. Press
Okay.
enter, save it. If you press this, it will go down like a shutter,
Sure.
like that. If you want to reopen it, click on here, the shutter will open.
Okay.
So under Nokia India, we have a position now. We have two different org units under Nokia India, and if you want, you can create position under these two organization units. Uh, what else I wanted to tell you about it? I have to tell a lot of things about it. Will you be able to create your own org structure today? Now,
Sure.
after seeing this, will you be able to create your own organization org structure? Yes, you can say yes, you can create it. And
Yes.
so your today's assignment will be, if you have time, create your org structure. Create
Sure,
your
I can
org
create.
structure. And in the org structure, see, I have just created it. I have shown you how to create it. But in the next class, I will tell you what is the significance of it and how we can use it. How we can use org data determination through it. All those things I will tell you in the next class.
Okay.
So also the system is working. If you can practice it, and in the next class probably we'll take it in the morning if you will be free.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sure. No worries about that. I'm free.
I mean in the next class we are going to do the, do you want to log off? Yes, I want to log off. In the next class we are going to see the org data determination, which is very
Okay.
important. I mean, uh, once you do this, you will understand the significance of maintaining an org structure, why it is important, and everything about it. And that's all for today's class. And I will mail you when the next class is going to happen. I will mail you. I will create a meeting ID and I will mail you the meeting ID, right?
Okay.
Most probably tomorrow in the morning, or now it's daytime there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I will communicate with you when the next class will happen, and in the next class I will show you the significance of this org structure and how we are going to use it in our system.
Okay.
So that is all for today's class. You want to save the changes? No, I do not want to save the changes.